Hey everyone, welcome to Buick Outdoors. If you're new around here, my name is Sheldon Marion, and the last few days we've been driving around hunting grouse with the 22, but today we're going to switch things up. I pulled the old 20 gauge single shot shotgun out. We're going to go hunt some grouse with it. Let's go hunt. Come on buddy, let's go hunt. Hey. Alright, let's load up guys. Come on, get up there. Good job, good job. Come on Daisy, get in there girl. Get up there. Good girl. Let's go hunt. Oh, we didn't even get outside of camp yet. Look at that. Some chickens right there already. There we go. First chicken. Didn't have to go far. There's the holiday trailer. There we go. Number one. I think I can see a couple more chickens in here. Oh yeah, there's one. See if I can go get them. Is there any others? Don't think so, just that one, hey? Two. Alrighty, the other guy there, he must have flew off a little bit further. Either that or I just don't see him. Either way, I got 3 out of the 4 or 5 that were on that road, so I'm gonna leave the rest. Even if I do see another one, I'm just gonna walk away from him. Three shots, 3 chickens. Oh yeah. I need a home for these. I got another one in the truck, but whatever. Well, that's 3 shots and 3 birds, and we're not even 100 yards from camp yet. But this is also why I keep saying using a shotgun. It's almost like cheating. Yeah, you don't miss unless they're flying. But yeah, 3 shots, 3 birds. Not even on the main road yet. We're just barely outside of camp. But yeah, now hopefully we can hit the road and go to the actual chicken hunting road and get away from camp here. But anyways, We're gonna head her on down the road. The dogs are excited. Let's go do some more hunting. Oh, we got ourselves another chicken here. He's right on the corner though, so I had to stop fairly close to him. So when I get out, he might fly. Well, he should have flew. There we go. 4 shots, 4 chickens. Got another one. Here we go. Number 4. Almost ran this chicken over. All by his lonesome. What the heck, friend? Another one for the pot. Not too bad. Nice little rough grouse. Five shots, 5 birds. We're on a roll. We can only get 5 more. This chicken, he's right there in the shadows. I didn't notice him till I was right beside him. He seemed to be a little less spooky today, which is nice. Ah, another water chicken. Why? Nasty. Water's not even deep enough to rinse him off. He's just gonna be a dirty old water bird. Oh, he's already moving his head. He's looking for the tree line. It's nice when they stretch out their head like that though. I can aim a little to the right and hopefully I don't smack the meat. Yeah, looks like only a couple pellets got him. Take him out of his misery here real quick. There you go. Leave the head behind. This one here, that's a nice big plump bird, hey? Holy cow. That's a beautiful, beautiful bird. One of these days I gotta get one of these mounted. Hey? That would look awesome on the wall. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Oh, we can only get 3 more, and we're gonna be done for the day. I've been hunting for about 30 minutes. 10 of that was driving. Let's go find another one. Well, I went around the corner. There's 2 more right there. Let's see if we can get at least one. The last chicken we got was just right there. And that chicken is right there on that branch. The problem is if I shoot him, he's gonna go way down in there. So we'll give the old salute and let you be. There we go. Chicken number 8. Telling you, this shotgun hunting, it's like cheating. I almost feel bad. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I still got 2 shells in my pocket. Started with 10, 8 shots, 8 birds. That's what I say. It's like cheating. We can only get 2 more there, fellas. Hey, we can only get 2 more. Oh no, back up, my friend. Well, there's 1 more there, hanging out by his lonesome in the grass. You might have some buddies over in the trees there. Man, that's a pretty small bird. Nah, he's too small. Jeepers. You couldn't even justify shooting that for a kid's meal. He can live. Oh, there's another one. At least this one here is a bit bigger. That other one there, jeepers, it was like he was fresh out of an egg. Well, no such luck. I don't like shooting at them when they're flying because you just pepper them with the pellets. And you get enough pellets in them as is when they're just standing there. When you shoot them when they're flying, you're just kind of shooting for feathers. I don't like doing that. But off to the next one here. Maybe there'll be another one just right around the corner. Or in the trees here. Well, we went down to the end of the road here. Turned around where we start getting to moose country. So I want to be shooting chickens with a shotgun over there. And now we're on our way back. We have a little ruffed grouse there. Look pretty skittish though. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get close enough with the old shotgun, but we're gonna try. This one I might take a poke at him. Hopefully I didn't get too many in the breast there. Normally what I do is I put the bead on their head and then I pick it up a little bit so when I can't even see the bird under the barrel. So hopefully that just kind of clips the top of them. At least this one's a nice, big, fat, mature bird. Beautiful thing. That's a nice bird. Usually chickens, they hang out in groups, but this year seems that they're either one and they're by themselves, or there's just a whole pile of them. But we'll see. This guy here, that's a beautiful bird. What I might do with this one, I'm gonna put him in the cooler, and a friend of mine at Primary Taxidermy in Fort St. John, he does bird taxidermy. So what I might do, I'm gonna look him up and just see how much it'll cost to get a bird mounted, because that's just a beautiful ruffed grouse. You see the shine in the feathers. Yeah, I don't know, I might not eat this one. This one might just go up on my wall in my office, but we'll see what the price is first. Don't know what the best way is to lay them in here, but try to put them in so the feathers stay nice and flat. There we go. Now once I get some phone service, I'll check out his website and see how much it'll cost me to get that sucker mounted. If it costs too much, well, he will just go into the pot. Well, there's one more chicken. I got one more shell in my pocket. That means this might be chicken number 10, which is our daily limit. That's the limit. Ka-chow. Give me your feet, you bugger. That's another beautiful bird. We'll see. We'll see. Still haven't got phone service yet. So maybe what I'll do in camp, we get phone service. I mean, I gotta head there now. But that's another just beautiful spruce hen. So maybe I'll get 2 birds mounted up. This one here, he's kind of dripping a little bit of blood though. That one pellet must have got a vein in the top of his head. He has all his tail feathers, nice brown. See if there's room in here for him, or I guess for her. Try to put him in there nice and even. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. There we go. Well, that's 10 birds. That's our limit. Well, we've had just an awesome morning. chicken hunting. We got 10 birds with 10 shots. And like I've said in other videos, you know, I kind of don't like hunting with a shotgun because it feels like cheating to me. And you can see today, it's one of those days before I left the trailer, I put 10 shotgun shells in my pocket. Once those 10 were done, I had 10 birds. But the upside is I got 2 birds that might go to the taxidermy. So right now what I'm going to be doing is cleaning 8 of the birds. And I'll show you with this big one here. If you've been around here, you've seen me do this dozens of times. I grab them by the feet like this. Here you can feel their breast where it goes to a point. And at the point, right here, there's a big flab of skin. And what I do is I grab that flab of skin, grab a hold of it, and I just go straight down towards its head. And that exposes the breast. And I take my thumb, and right here, you have like the sack and the spine. So I pull the sack out of the way, and it exposes the spine. And then I take my index finger, and right here, you have your wishbone, and I put my finger down in there so you have something to hold on to the chicken with. And then pretty well grab the spine, and sometimes it breaks, like this one it might, but you pretty well just pull it straight forward and everything should come out. I'll try not to show the guts and all that. And then what you're left with is pretty well this nice clean bird. So just like that, you have a nice clean bird. And what I was talking about earlier, how I put the bead of the shotgun on its head, and then I just lift up that little bit, so in that way the spread of your pellets shouldn't hit the meat, even though sometimes it still does. But for the majority of it, you'll miss the meat completely if you're lucky. Right now on this one, I can feel the wing got a pellet, and there's actually nothing on the inside. There's a little bit of blood just from kind of the guts and all that stuff. So I don't want to turn around and show you the inside, but it's nice and clean anyways. So we got one nice clean bird, and yeah, that's how I clean my chickens. So what I'm going to do, I got a bag here. I'm going to put them all into a bag to keep them nice and clean. And then I got 7 more to do, because we got those 2 in the cooler that might go to the taxidermy, so I don't want to mess them up. But what we'll do is we'll put this to the side for right now. I'll grab my bag, make sure they're nice and clean, and then also all the dogs are going to get a chicken heart each. So anyways guys, I'm going to continue on cleaning this up, and see you back at the trailer. Alrighty, so I just got off the phone with Keith there out in Primary Bird Taxidermy, and what he said is it's gonna be about $500 for each bird. So I think I'm gonna get them done. I've been wanting to get these done for quite a while, and seeing how these birds are just absolutely beautiful looking birds, I think I'm gonna get her done. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna take them, we're going to put them into a garbage bag, and then I'm going to freeze them. And I want to lay them in there so the feathers are as flat as possible. Try not to lose any feathers. Pretty well, I'm hoping I can get them kind of both in one bag, kind of a thing. Lay them down all nice and gingerly. And he was saying if you have any blood on the outside losing feathers. If you have any blood on the outside, to take a piece of paper towel and put in there with them, so the paper towel kind of soaks up all the blood. But looking at this guy, he's pretty well all done bleeding, and it's all dry on him. So I'm just going to put him in how he is. And when I'm putting them down, I'm putting their head down first, and then I'm kind of dragging my hand down along the back of the bird as it's sitting down, so that way all the feathers are just laying in one nice form. And now what I'm going to do is I'm pretty well going to flatten out his feet here. I'm going to take this bag, kind of, not really roll it up, but just kind of fold it up like this. And I got some room in the deep freeze, so then I will set them in the deep freeze as flat as possible. And then when I go into town next, I can take these with me and drop them off at his place. And then I think that is how we're going to finish this video, is when these birds are all said and done at the taxidermy. When I pick them up, I can show them off to you guys and see what two mounted birds look like. One being a ruffed grouse, one being a spruce hen. So here's the deal there, guys. After I dropped everything off at Keith's place there, he was telling me that the wait time is between 6 to 8 months for the birds to be done. So instead of waiting until this spring, basically, to put this video out, what I'll do is when I pick up the birds, I might talk to Keith and see if I can film when I pick it up, and I'll make a totally separate video of that. Or you can also go and check me out on Facebook, and I'll put up all the pictures on my Facebook page there. It's just Buick Outdoors on Facebook, kind of like everybody else's page there, kind of deal. But anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. You know, I keep saying on here, you know, hunting chickens with a shotgun, to me, it's almost like cheating. You know, I went out with 10 shots in my pocket, and I shot 10 times and got 10 birds. So, yeah, it was a blast to head out there and get some chickens. It's nice to switch things up every once in a while, leave a 22 behind and try something else. But anyways, guys, if you like that video, hit that like button down in the corner there. Leave me a comment or two. Tell me about everything that you've got taxidermied so far here. You know, I got 3 deer, a couple moose horns. You know, nothing too serious. But I think the following couple of years here, I'm really gonna get into more taxidermy. Yeah, if you want to keep seeing videos like this, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you on the next one.